Linear is a software project management tool that helps streamline projects, sprints, issue tracking, and bug management. With the Linear app, you can link Qase test cases and test runs to Linear issues. Additionally, you can create new Linear issues directly from Qase when filing a defect during a test run. To install the Linear app in your workspace, first log into your Linear account, then click Install Now on the Linear app card. Next, click Authorize Qase on this page and then click Authorize again on the next page. The Linear app will now be successfully installed. After installing the app, you can map the Linear status and Qase defects. To do so, go back into the card, click the three dots icon, click Settings, and select a team. Then select the defect mapping. When you are done, you can save the changes. This can be done for all your other Linear teams. To link a test case, go to a project and select a test case. In the Properties tab, scroll down to Link with Apps. Select Linear. In the search field, input the issue ID or title of the issue in Linear. Click Link, and the issue will be associated with the test case. To unlink it, click the X button next to the issue title to remove the link. To link a test run, go to the desired test run and click Select an Integration in the bottom right corner. Choose the Linear option and enter the issue ID or title from Linear in the search field. Click Search and then Link to associate it with the test run. To remove the link, click the trash bin icon next to the issue title. To link a defect, select the Linear app from the Link with Apps dropdown and proceed to search and link the issue. Finally, when assigning a status to a test case, like failed, blocked, or invalid, select Choose Integration and choose Linear. Fill in the actual result to proceed, then click Add Defect. In this modal window, you can choose to link the defect with an existing Linear issue by clicking Link, and enter the issue ID or title from Linear in the search field. Click Search and then Link to associate it with the defect, or you can create a new Linear issue from the Create tab. To proceed, select the Linear team and fill in the required fields. When you're done, click Create. Now the defect has been created, and a Linear issue has been created in Linear. The defect can be found in the Defect tab and also in the Defects section. If you click the external issue, it will take you to your Linear workspace, where you can find the newly created Linear issue. If you need to update the status of the defect in Qase, the associated Linear issue will be updated automatically. Similarly, updating the status of the issue in Linear will reflect in Qase, ensuring synchronization between both platforms. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles in our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message.